Happy new week. Today is the 10th of April. So let's get it. Let's get it. I believe, if I'm correct, the week should wrap up by the 15th of April. So let's get it. Let's quickly review last week and we'll get right into it immediately. So yep, last week was cool, I guess. Is that the word? Cool. Yeah. Cool, 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 cool. So yeah, last week we had GBP as our number one pair. I wanted to buy. Obviously, that didn't happen. I didn't see any confirmation, so I did not look at this pair again. GBP USD, I wanted to buy. I set this to, can't remember what was the reason why I didn't buy. I don't think I was active. Then when this pullback happened, I wanted to take the position, but I was already interested in a pair that I was already in. So I was already looking to take another entry, which was GPP card. Amazing trade. Woo! What a trade. I actually lied to you though. So it was a 1:5 trade, but I think my TP was around here. Abi? No. Actually, it was, yeah, it was 200 pips. So yeah. Actually, yeah. So beautiful trade. I caught the move from this bottom. I was anticipating the next entry here, the break and whatever happened, but I wasn't active at the moment when it happened, if I'm correct. Yeah, around what time? Yeah, in the midnight. Yeah, I was sleeping. So then I woke up. I was like, okay, maybe if he has the pullback again, I'll take it. But I did not take it. Whatever. I used this trade to pass my first stage in on funded next. We move. USD card, amazing trade. I didn't take this too. I was looking to sell. That it happened. At the point, I wanted to even look to buy, but I'm not. So I didn't look at it anyways. LZDJPY, this one, crazy stuff. Market just opened and this was the area I wanted to sell from. I think that was on Wednesday. Yeah. Market did its thing, went back to the bottom area that would have been my potential TP. So I'm kind of interested in it this week. I'll come back to it. USDJPY, just like NZDJPY, the pullback happened, as you can see, Monday, Tuesday candle, Wednesday just had the fall. And I lost interest because this whole move happened in the midnight. Like, I think just like an hour candle, 30 minutes candle. Let me check. Yeah, exactly. So in 1 hour, 30 minutes, after this engulfing, yeah. So the next 1 hour candle, you just like, I was like, okay. And obviously I wasn't awake. And that was by 4 a.m. Yeah, I was not awake, obviously. So that was the end of that. GBP NZD, what was I looking for on this trade? I wanted to buy if it broke above. Yeah, that didn't happen. Yes, I know that it's bearish and all, and it's still very much bearish. And now I might still be looking for sales. I'll come back to it. GA, what did I want to do on you? I think I'm still interested in GA. If this can happen, if it can happen, yes, I'll be interested in it. But if it doesn't happen, then I'm not interested. So what I'm looking for in GA, I don't think it's something that will happen this week, but I'd like to see a break above and a pullback and I buy. But for now, this is a bottom pair because I think it will take a while. NZD card, we have been calling this pair, but I took an L on it and vamoose. It has happened and it has gone, and I am no longer interested in it. So let's get right into the new week. I think NZD card was not part of the pairs for the week. So for this week, GBP let me just go through it if I'm interested or not. GBP still looking for same thing if I'm waiting for break above, but hmm. Okay, I'll say I'm still interested in this. Nothing changed. I just want to see if market is going to do this. I just want it to break above with pullback and continuation. USD, GBP USD, it's crazy not to be interested in this because it's still the same thing that we're looking for last week. Pullback and buy. Did the pullback happen? Yes. Did it buy? Yes. Do you think is this going to happen this same week again? Do I know? I don't know. So like let's check back in time. Like this happened, break, pull back, a buy, pull back again, a buy, right? It can happen again, break, pull back, a bounce, and there'll still a pullback. So I don't know if it's going to have a pullback again. Maybe not to this zone. Maybe like to retest the last structure high. I don't really know. But I will look into something else. GBP card. I think for this pair, don't think I want to look for anything again. I think it is done. It is sorted. It has happened. It has happened already. USD card. What am I looking for here? Hmm. 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 Not bad, actually. Not bad. Not bad, to be honest. Okay, I like this. I like how this looks. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. I'll just be looking for it. I'll wait and see it will do around this area, and I'll continue the buys. USD card looks like my first pair for the week now. GBP NZD, continuation of the sales. Oh, I don't know. This pair I've been selling for how many weeks now? Let me see. But doesn't really matter, but it's just that do I? I do. I think let me just delete this alert first. I don't think I want to trade this week. I don't think I want to trade this week. Okay. Hold, give me a sec, please. Um, GBP AUD, GBP AUD on the daily. What are we doing? We're still bearish. Weekly, we are bearish. Okay. I think for this one, I kind of prefer you. So I'll just wait for a pullback and sell. Let me take you up. GBP NZD, I don't think I like you. I don't know. I'll let you go. NZD card, like GBP card as well. I think this is done for. I don't think there's anything I'm looking for here again. 80 USD. Nah, nah. EURUSD. EU. This pair has just been doing some funny things. Okay, this doesn't look bad actually. This doesn't look bad. At least something positive now. Okay, doesn't look bad to be honest. Doesn't, doesn't look bad. So it has like a left head, right shoulder. The break, the retest, this bearish candle. I already had the retest, so let's see how it looks on 4 hours. Actually, I like this the most. I like this. I like this. This looks good. This looks good. I think I'll be looking for buys on EU. And the odds be in my favor. Well, it looks good. Let me see how it is like on the daily, weekly. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Around here. Yeah, that actually doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. CHF, NZD, nope. AD, nope. CHF, JPY. Hmm. CHFJPY. Sold you 2 weeks ago, right? Hmm. It's having that pullback. Hmm. What is it like over 4 hours? Hmm. 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 Quite tricky. I don't like it. NZD daily. I need to clear some of these my charts. They are very ugly now. 80 card. It's nah, I'm not interested. US 30 daily. Ah man, since this period, this pair has just been going and going. Nah, I'm not interested. UAUD, one of my favorite pairs. Nice counter trade loading up. I've been waiting for the market to come to this zone. I like the fact that the weekly had a stop, which this doji can do. I like let me look back in time when there was a doji like this, another candle form before the main move happened. Okay. But that is not what we just used to. It normally is bearish. I mean, it is bearish, but if I want to look for a trading opportunity, yeah, I like to find a counter trade, but I think no, I'm not interested actually. Let me not bother. I'll look at it for the following week. USDCHF. Hmm. Wow. Wow. Nah. UJPY. Nah. UGBP. Hmm. Not bad. Actually, not bad. So left head, right shoulder, break, retest, pull back, break again, and we are getting back to the same zone again. What are the odds? Are you going to sell this week? I don't know, but I like you. I actually do like you. So needs to be another pair. GJ, nope. UJPY, card JPY. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. ADCHF, no. Gold. What is it like on daily? Huh. ADNZD. No. NZD. Nason. What? It's not 100. I've just been going up. We'll wait for the fall. For now, not interested in you again. ADJPY. Okay, fine. I think the only pair I wanted to come back to is this pair. And let's see, GBPCHF, GU. Okay, so let me close this up. USD card buys, right? Euro USD buys, right? Exactly. Euro GBP sells. GA, continuation of the sell. This can be here. NZDJPY. This pair. I think if I'm interested, I'm really going to be patient, like because of what it did last week when it came here. Although the sell did happen, but I think they had a news on NZD, and I don't know. I'll wait and I'll look for it on a higher time frame, like maybe 4 hours with my confirmation. Depends on how market opens anyway. But it doesn't look bad. So all I'm waiting for here is just a break and yeah, that's what I'll just do. GBPCHF, this pair, I don't even know where I'm taking. GU, yeah, far gone. GA. Huh. GA. Before you reach here, it take a while now. Why do I have you? Hmm. I think for me, let me. I think I'll just these GBP pairs at the bottom. I'm just going to keep an eye on them. I'm not really looking at them. My top pairs are NZ USD card buys, Euro USD buy, Euro GBP sell, and NZD JPY sell. Just those four pairs. Because I mean, not gonna be looking at something that doesn't really make any sense, to be honest. So I'll stop sharing my screen. Gaga, you there?
Yeah.
All right.
Mm, looking at AUD USD, entry would have been here. I took this one last week, but I had to close out because of weekend holding. If it does come back here, I can take another entry. Um, ADCHF, I want to sell. This market can open and go back up a bit and then close below. I'll sell. USD card, I want to buy. Price can come back here and take the price. Um,
Yeah,
want
you're
to,
buying USD card as well. Can you go back to your USD card? Sorry. Let me just know which area you're looking at buying from. Let me quickly check my chart on my phone. Just give me a sec. Okay, you're using 30. That is true. Okay, it's actually similar areas. It's actually similar areas, Seth.
um,
1366. Yeah, actually, it's the same thing. Yeah, so you'll be the one to inform me now when you're ready.
okay. Um, let me see. Euro, what is this? Euro NCT doesn't really form sure, but this would be more of like a scalp, if that makes sense. NCT, what, CHF, similar thing. Maybe form major structural high somewhere around here.
This trade looks nice. This market looks nice. Actually
Mm,
looks lovely. Well, it's not a pair I have on my watch list. I don't think I've ever looked at this pair before. As it is
mm.
future.
So that's pretty much it from me.
So you have four pairs as well too.
I think it's five. Five. It's five.
Those GBP pairs I have. I think okay, yeah, okay. Last week it was a lot of GBP pairs. Actually, I had a lot of GBP pairs last week. This week again, it's almost something similar. But let me even check if we have any news on GBP set or any. Let me even know what news we have this week. Forex Factory. Let me just have an idea what we are doing this week. Well, regardless of the news, blues as usual. Tuesday, we have CPI. Okay. Wednesday, we have PPI. And Thursday, we have only USD news. It's only on Thursday we have a GBP news, GDP news for GBP. Okay. So basically, we have news Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's kind of like, I don't want to say a dull week, but it doesn't really matter. Let's see as it goes now. Oh boy, bro. If I didn't see this deriv now, do you know I've forgotten I even have deriv? Sheesh.
Yeah, then I'm currently on this one. I took it. Okay.
Oh, I think I blew my account. That's true. That time when you gave me that trade, I just remembered. No, I think I blew that account. Ah, deriv, it's been a minute. Well, like you still trade it often?
I said I'm on a trade. That's why
No,
I'm
I know.
here.
I'm just asking, like, have you been aside today? Like, have you been?
No.
Because that's what I'm asking. Because it's been a while I heard you talk about. It's even been a while I've seen people post anything about volatility.
Mm.
It's been a minute. Wow. So how long have you been on the trade now? You entered it today.
Yeah.
Wish you blues, my G, as usual. Anyways, my guy, very at this junction, we'll soon be wrapping up. So Positive week to you. Blue week as usual. Last week, at least was a good one for me. I guess it was a good one for you. So hopefully this week is also going to be a good one, not just in trading, every generally in everything we are doing, basically in life. So blue week to you. Me, I'm just coming from church, so stay blessed. You know the vibes. You're blessed. You're blessed. You're blessed. You're blessed. So yeah, blue weeks to you in the market. This thing doesn't have respect. So yeah, peace out, my guy. One love.